One of the first in-flight skills you will learn is how to control your airplane by using outside visual information. This program introduces the reference points you will use and explains how to combine them with your flight instruments to maintain straight and level flight. As the name implies, straight and level means flying a constant heading at a specific altitude. Airplane control in this situation is divided into two basic elements: pitch control and bank control. Your primary reference for determining pitch information is the view forward through the windshield. This is the normal pitch attitude for level flight. The distance between the nose and the horizon is a measurement of your pitch attitude. As your pitch attitude is increased, the distance between the nose and the horizon becomes smaller. As your pitch attitude is decreased, the horizon moves higher and further away from the nose. Using a point on the windshield that is on or near the horizon is also a good reference for your pitch attitude. Your pitch attitude can also be seen when you look at the wingtips. By comparing the angle of the wing to the horizon, your flight attitude is readily apparent. This is how a nose-high pitch attitude looks. And this is a nose-low pitch attitude. You can also verify the pitch attitude by referencing the flight instruments. The attitude indicator is an instrument that graphically shows your relationship to the horizon. This bar represents the horizon, and this symbol represents your airplane as viewed from behind. When you are in a level flight attitude, the airplane should rest on the horizon bar. When you increase the pitch attitude, the airplane symbol in the attitude indicator moves above the horizon. In a nose-low attitude, the airplane symbol moves downward, duplicating the attitude you see outside. Two other flight instruments you use to cross-check your visual references are the altimeter and the vertical speed indicator, or VSI. The altimeter shows your flying altitude and verifies that you are flying level. Any deviation in your altitude is indicated by movement in the needles. The VSI tells you if you are level, climbing, or descending. It also shows how fast you are climbing or descending. When the needle is at 0, the airplane is in level flight. Now that you have seen how to maintain level flight, let's look at how to keep the airplane flying in a straight line. To maintain straight flight, you must control the bank attitude of your airplane. One way to tell if you are flying straight is to note the position of the horizon in the windshield. You can detect a deviation from straight flight by noting when the horizon tilts in the windshield. In addition, both wingtips should appear to be an equal distance from the horizon. When the wingtips are equal, you are flying straight. As with pitch attitude, you can cross-check your visual cues with the attitude indicator. A turn is shown when the horizon bar tilts in reference to the miniature airplane. When the airplane and the horizon bar are aligned, the airplane is in straight flight. You can also determine if you are flying straight by looking at the heading indicator. A change in heading tells you are banked. Another instrument that detects a bank is the turn coordinator. Unlike the attitude indicator, the turn coordinator does not tell you the angle of bank, but rather tells you how quickly you are turning and the direction of the turn. Your ability to maintain straight and level flight by outside visual references will soon become second nature. This skill will help lay the foundation for almost all of the maneuvers you will learn.